So today we are going to know about that how does the tokens work in ChatGPT. So let's begin with the understanding ChatGPT roles of tokens and its functionality. So number one, we are going to introduce to the ChatGPT and the tokens, and number two, we are going to know about the mechanism of ChatGPT's functioning. So let's begin. What is the definition and the purpose of ChatGPT? So today we are going to know about its tokens and how does it works. And we are going to know the total mechanism of ChatGPT's functioning. So let's begin. ChatGPT is an advanced model designed by OpenAI that generates human-like text based on the input it receives, allowing for interactive and engaging conversations. And we are going to know about the evolution and the development. So the development of ChatGPT has progressed through various iterations, incorporating improved algorithms and vast datasets to enhance the language and understanding and generating capabilities. So let's introduce to ChatGPT and tokens. Understanding tokens. So what are tokens? Tokens are basically the smallest units of text that the model processes, including words, punctuations, and special characters, serving as the building blocks of language comprehension. So we are going to know about now the different types of tokens in language models. Language models utilize the different types of tokens, such as words and subwords, to optimize text representation, facilitating more nuanced understanding and generation of language. Now we are going to understand the mechanism of ChatGPT's functioning. So the tokenization process, how text gets tokenized. So the tokenization process involves breaking down text into smaller components or tokens, which can be individual words, phrases, or characters. This enables the model to understand and process language more efficiently. And number two, we are going to know about the token limits and their implications. Okay. Token limits refers to the maximum number of tokens that can be processed in a single interaction. Exceeding these limits can truncate inputs, affecting the quality and the context of generalized responses. We are now going to know about the interaction between the tokens and the neural networks. Role of tokens in model input. Tokens serve as fundamental units of information input into the neural network, allowing the model to comprehend and generate language based on the consequences of these tokens. So the tokens predictions and responses. The model predicts the subsequent tokens based on the context provided by previous tokens, generating coherent and contextually relevant responses in a conversational manner, stimulating the human-like dialogue. So this was our today's video, and we have all discussed about the tokens and the neural networks, and we have also gone to the process of tokenization, and where we have explained in a brief way about the mechanism of ChatGPT's functioning, and we have also understood about the tokens with the small introduction, what are tokens and all, and we have gave you the quick overview of ChatGPT. So we have introduced to the ChatGPT and tokens, and we have also discussed about the mechanism of ChatGPT's functioning. So I hope you all have understood this ChatGPT's role in functionality with the tokens. So I'm ending my video here. So I hope you like this video, and also wait for another video which will be uploaded soon. So thank you for visiting my video.